Hey, it's Susan here. I wanted to show you what I'm doing with my students this week. I'm doing a project with plasticine clay. This is my favorite kind of plasticine clay. This is what I buy, and it comes in these blocks. It doesn't look like a lot, but it does go a long way. What I do with my students is I unwrap the plasticine blocks and I make them into tiny balls. So this makes it last a lot longer. This will last a lot longer, a bunch of little balls than one block. So do that. I keep them in a little baggie, but plasticine clay basically never dries, so you don't have to worry that much about storage. There's a couple great things about plasticine clay. It's very low mess. It feels good on your hands. It's soft right out of the package. Um, you don't have to soften it. It comes this way. Let's see. And it's very smushy and comes in tons of colors, or I'll show you tons and tons of colors. So what we've been doing is been working with plasticine clay in a way that is flat, or what we call relief, where the clay just comes a little bit up off the surface and is not three-dimensional in the way that some clay work is. This is great for claymation, animation, and 3D work. It's wonderful for so many things. This week, we are working with plasticine clay, and we are doing it on a flat board. And I bought these in packs of, you can get these in packs of 16 at Michael's. I punched the holes in there so you can attach a pipe cleaner hanger. You don't have to do that if you don't have a heavy duty hole puncher. It works perfectly fine to use this piece of wood like this. I believe the size of this piece of wood is 5 by 5. And it's very thin, but it's a great base for anything plasticine. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our plasticine onto the wood and create something beautiful. So let me show you how to do this. So we've got our wood base here, and all you really need to do is take about half a ball of your plasticine and take your pointer finger or your thumb and just smoosh it around, and then it will stay on. It sticks to the wood. Think about what kind of background you want on your work. Do you want a sky and a ground? Do you want like an interior wall? What are you thinking about? And then do the whole background on your wood. And after you finish the background, then you can put things on top of it. So you can put a color on top of a color. You can kind of swirl the colors together. There's so many options. So say this is my interior. If I had covered the entire piece of wood, then what I could do is say I want to make a star or a sun, then I'm just going to press that down. Maybe it's a flower. I'll press that down and it stays really well. A couple of things you can add are things like toothpicks for drawing into your clay or making dots. Or a popsicle stick is a great way to spread things out too. Let me show you a few things my students did. They just rocked this project. So try this at home. I know they say, don't try this at home. Try this at home. It's really cool. I'll put the I'll give you guys the link to this plasticine clay. I got it on Amazon. You can also buy plasticine clay in basically any craft store in different quantities. So thanks for watching. This is a kind of a new video thing I'm doing. So thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.